Windows 10 is a great operating system, but it can be a little slow. I'm going to show you how to speed up your Windows operating system by tweaking your system settings. Tip 4. Optimize Windows 10 Startup. Optimize your startup by simply going into your Task Manager and selecting Startup. As you can see, one of the tabs at the top there, you can just click the Startup tab, and then inside there you'll see all the programs that start with Windows. You can disable any of those that you don't wish to start. You can always start them if you need them by clicking the Windows button, finding the program, and then clicking on the shortcut, and then the program will start normally. This has the effect of speeding up your startup. When you boot your PC, it will have to load less programs, so Windows will load faster. Tip 5. Turn off Windows 10 search settings. There are two places to turn off Windows search indexing. The first place is type in search, Windows search settings. And when you go on there, you need to make sure you're on classic. Turn off Windows search indexing. Just type in search, and then you'll see indexing options. Click on indexing options, and then all you need to do is go to modify. So go to modify, and then uncheck users. Uncheck the users, and then OK. Tip 6. Turn off Windows 10 tips. Turning off Windows tips. Go to your start and then type in notifications and action settings, and then when you're in there you need to make sure you turn off get tips and tricks suggestions. Just uncheck that one. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button and the notification bell so that you will be informed of any new videos that we create. If you would like to see more videos like these on different topics regarding PC, leave your comments in the comments section below, along with any other topics that you'd like me to cover in future videos.